Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. It's time for another round of Fab Finds. If you're new to my channel, Fab Finds is a series where I feature products from a specific category that I've been using for some time now. Since my theme for this month has been travel, in today's video I will be talking you through some of my favorite travel organizers. As always, links will be in the description box below for you guys. So if you want to take a peek into what my favorite travel finds are, jump on in and let's get rolling. This organizing favorite of mine is all over the internet. I have been a fan of packing cubes ever since I found out about them, which was about 3 years ago, and this really helps in keeping the luggage neat and tidy. When you have a zillion things going in the luggage, these come really handy. They come in different quantities, sizes, fabrics and colors, and I have 2 sets of it. These one retail from $18 and upwards depending on what you're looking for, or might be even pricier. They have markings on some cubes indicating the purpose of that cube, but honestly you can use them for anything. I use them to organize my clothes, my innerwear, my shoes, my skincare, etc. And I really like that it makes access at the destination very easy. They work very well for check-in baggages, but the downside to this is that I feel it consumes a little more space as opposed to when not using it. So if you're a person that carries less luggage, this works. But for someone who's an excessive traveler, I suggest you skip this or try the compressed packing cubes which are out in the market now. You can of course use the smaller size cubes still, but the big ones for clothes might make the luggage bulkier. So the next time you're traveling, give these packing cubes a try for an organized luggage. The next one has been my go-to for almost 8 years now. This hanging toiletry organizer just keeps everything in place for you, and there's nothing more to it. It's convenient as you can hang it near your shower and keep your necessities just a hand's reach away. The best part about this is that it displays your belongings really well, which means no more shaking things through to find it. This is definitely a great one to have to save counter space. The next one is an ideal organizer for makeup, but honestly you can use this for anything you wish to. What I like about this is the fact that it acts as a mini vanity while you're traveling, except for the mirror. This one comes with padded compartments to help you segregate your makeup. This can also be removed if you wish to be used as a single compartment. The padding also helps to ensure that compressed powders or shadows don't crack. At least they did not in my case. It has compartments to hold brushes and individual pouches to stash the different essentials. The water-resistant material helps cleaning a breeze, and the closure zippers are advertised to be leak-proof in case of any spillages. I have never had one, so I cannot talk much about it. It retails at about $23, and it's great not only for makeup but doubles up to hold your toiletries if you wish. This case is definitely one of my best finds. For me, an organizer is well designed if I can fit things in it and still be able to surf through it, and this does a fabulous job. Retails at about $14.99 now, which is $4 less than what I gave, so it's definitely a good time to grab it. It has snaps for necklaces and you can hang 5 of them. It has 2 long padded loops to stack your rings. They have earring panels and has 30 holes in it, and it's also removable. You can snap it out, put your earrings in it and then snap it back on. It has a zippered pouch for your bracelets or any other kind of valuables that you want to put in there. It also comes with a convenient carry handle. If your jewelry always gets hidden in regular pouches, this case will definitely put an end to your constant search. This is a great neck wallet to hang around your neck if you're traveling with your child. What I love about this is that you can stash your IDs, valuables, and walk with your hands free, which is a big score when traveling with a child. There are individual compartments for your phone, passport, currency, card, receipts, etc. The fastener at the back helps you adjust the height, and the slim design is great if you want to tuck it under your shirt. It also comes with an RFID blocker as well, which will help prevent scamming. If you're not a fan of hanging things around your neck, then there are ones that go around your waist as well, or a wristlet like this will help you stay organized. A great hands-free organizer for your next travel. These are all of my favorite travel organizers. I'm definitely an organizational junkie, as it gives me some peace of mind if everything has its own place even while I'm traveling. I hope this video gave you an insight into all of my favorite travel organizers. As always, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you're new here, please do not forget to hit on that red subscribe button so that I can catch you in my next one. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.